As a wedding photographer, you probably love to have raffles at your bridal shows where people put in their information and you choose a winner. Well, beautiful gift certificates for an engagement shoot is a great way to go. Let me show you how to quickly design a gift certificate in Fundy Designer where everything's pre-designed and pre-written for you. Here's an example of just one of our designs. All you have to do is go up to the design library, click Download Card Designs, and go under the marketing cards. And you'll see gift certificates for babies, weddings, boudoir, etc. I'm going to go ahead and go down to the wedding gift certificates and just click Choose and download those, and then they're in your library within Fundy Designer. Next, we'll go to the card module, hit New Card. I always like to choose the 6x8 card because these are designed by 6x8. They will self-adjust for 5x7 if you want to print for 5x7, but the 6x8 cards look just a little bit more substantial. They're all designed as horizontals. I'm going to name it Gift Certificate. And then it's going to pop up and ask you to choose the template that you want to choose. So let's go ahead and choose this gift certificate right here. And all we need to do is click on the photos, drag them into the drop zones. And remember, these are drop zones. So even though you see 3 photos, you can drop in more photos and it will self-adjust. Now just click and change the name of the studio, your contact information, and then the value of the gift card. And now you're done. When you're done designing, just click the export button and you can order direct from Miller's Lab and your cards will arrive in just a few days if you're in the US, or you can export for print and order through any lab throughout the world. So if you have Fundy Designer, take some time, design your gift cards now, and if you don't, head on over to fundy.com and download the free trial.